Hi, it's Paul here. It's late in the afternoon, 5 o'clock. Our internet was doing some weird stuff this morning, so I couldn't get into the MLS, so I wasn't able to do my update. So let's start it right now. Look at that, new listings. And let's, at least we'll get a good overall view today. So it's the end of the day almost. Okay, so the lowest priced one came on the market today at $68,000. It's close to downtown. Let me get rid of this stupid blue thing. Pool there. It's an older complex, as you can tell. And they're pretty happy about their pool. We got another one here in the same complex. Let's see what we got here. Another community pool. So, both 68,000, right off the strip. Strip is right over here, and it's right here. There's the golf course is right here. So, good rental property. Built in '71. So let's see what the highest priced one that came on the market today is. A lot of activity today. 4.3 million. Let's see what 4.3 million will buy. Huh. It's quite a picture. Whoops. Interesting. Those big island, great open place to party. Oh, looks like you got a waterfall off the deck there into the pool. Now that's pretty cool. Hey, look at that. A lot of black and white here. Interesting. And that is 7,800 square feet, built in '09. I think it's right here in Seven Hills. Nope. It's over into Summerlin there, right on the edge of town. Interesting. Okay, so we got yesterday, 59,864 square feet. Oh, needs a little bit of help. In the middle of a rehab. Oh, looks like there might have been a fire there. What's it say? Interesting, doesn't say anything about a fire. But okay, 59,000. It's right next to Nellis Air Force Base. Be a good place for rental. So then we go, all this is yesterday. $285. Another big estate for sale. Big wine cellar. Sauna. Pretty nice. And where are we here? For $4 million. Same place as the other one. Okay, so there's a few things going on over there. 2009, 9,400 square feet. My lord. Okay. So then, just in case we didn't pick up everything on Monday, we had the $69,000 condo. And I think we saw this one. Yep, we did. And $2 million house here. We saw that. Great. So we're kind of caught up right now. And then we have 646 or three, yes, 646 under contract. Boy, a lot of them went into contract the last couple of days. 286 closed. Actual close. Let's do some price checking here. 94,000 for manufactured home out of the area. This is all today. And 640,000 for this little petunia here. Single level. Pretty nice. Cool. And where is it? Hualapine Desert Inn. Okay. Right over there. And yesterday, lowest priced was 110 for this little townhome. Okay. And that was Lake Mead and Jones, okay. So between yesterday and today, there have been 100 close. 775 is the highest priced. Not very good pictures. For that price of a home. Okay. So, that's what we got here.
What I've seen is, no, not leather. What I've seen is
And it looks like that's about it. This other part is what is interesting. Where is it? This closed sales, that drop off. Median sales price has gone up, but we'll do another thing on this later. Anyway, okay, well that's it for today. 9 minutes.